Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out this. This is a dual digital timer, so this will do two times. And let's see what we all get in here. So we have the instructions here, and let's see. So we've got different knob settings and things in there if you want to pause it and screenshot if you need to. So there we go. And this is what it looks like here. This is all the stuff it came with. So it came with this. So it has plastic on its cover. Not anymore. So that's what that looks like. And it came with a wire with, it's probably a USB-C. Yep, USB to USB-C connector. And then it came with 3 batteries. So we'll put the batteries in. If not, I have an outlet over here that I can put the wire into. So let's see what we got. So we have, oops, 1, 2, oh, this one's, 2 of the batteries were wrapped together, and then the third one wrapped individually. Make sure you get the plastic off it, or nothing will work. Oh, I heard it beep. Okay, and there we go. There's our settings here. So we can turn this here. So let's say I want to go to 40 seconds on this timer, and then I could do timer 2, and I can set that one for 7 minutes. And there we go. So now we have 2 timers going. So that's pretty cool. That was about the easiest thing I ever got going in less than a minute. And you can see here's the buttons for it. So it's got the button for T1 and T2. So that's going to switch between the 2 timers. And then we have the reset button, which will obviously reset it. We have the sound one. So I'm going to guess we can do different volumes. Yes. So, and you can see it even shows up on there. And then we have the light mode, I guess, which the brightness, so we can turn it to dim or bright. Oh, and there goes number 1. So when it does, I guess I'm going to just push the side in. Yep, and there we go, and it stops. And to set it, I was just turning the knob and then pushing it in to set it. It was like the easiest thing to get going. Oh my gosh, if you get one of these, if you need something that times 2 things, like cooking maybe. So if you have 2 different things, so if I'm cooking my, 2 different things on the side, if I'm cooking my boiling some noodles and cooking some shrimp or something, I can set the 2 different timers. So really cool little device here. And now that I finished the second one, I can reset the first one again too. It was like, so kind of cool. And then I can, pushing in the side pauses it. So that's even better too. So very cool device. Thumbs up. And it's the VEWINGL dual digital thermometer. Sorry, I put the sticker on it, but there you go. Very cool.